Okay, hopefully by now, as you've worked through the commands, you've kind of hopefully got a little bit of a handle on how to do the usted and ustedes commands. Remember, you go to the yo form first, so we catch all those irregular things like the G's and the Z's and the ODUEs and E to IEs and whatever else, and then use the opposite endings. So those are your formal commands, and like we said, you won't use the usted real often, but the ustedes you will use a lot just because that's plural. So today we're going to talk about the familiar commands, and this would be the ones you use with your friends. Hand me that book, or give me that ball, or whatever. So it's something you're going to use probably a lot more often. So they're the ones you would use with the subject to, and these are actually really, really easy. The rule is drop the S. So you don't change anything, don't change the A's and E's and all of that. Just conjugate it like normal. So if I wanted to say you speak, tú hablas. I want to make a command, I drop the S, tú habla. Now it's a command. Instead of saying you speak, I'm saying you speak, okay? Same with comer. Instead, we normally would say comes, and you guys are really good conjugating present tense. All of you, you do really well with the two endings. So now you're just dropping the S. So tú comes, you eat, but if I'm telling you to eat, come, okay? So the difference. So that's how easy the informal commands are for telling somebody to do something. Next week we're going to talk about telling them not to do something. That's going to be a little bit different, but for now, just get through this week. So when you're doing this, just drop the S. Now, there are some irregular ones, but they're really easy. They're on page 259. There's 8 of them. All right? You just need to memorize these 8. They don't have any endings on them. Nothing you have to do except write the word exactly the way you see it on page 259. So salir, it tells you there, is sal, okay? And that means you leave. Leave. Get out of here, okay? D means tell. This is our one from decir, okay? So this is it. What you see on that page, those 8 words, the way they change, that's all you have to do. Change them exactly the way you see them. Don't add anything. Don't put any endings on them. It's just those words. Most of them are 2 or 3 letter words. So that's your 8 irregular 2 commands, okay? So for doing the informal, one more time, drop the S. That's it. Don't change anything. Don't do anything else. Just drop the S. Now, if you had a stem change verb like dormir, duermes, would be your 2 form. You'd have the ODUE in there. Duermes, just drop the S. Duerme. So you'll still see the ODUE, E to IE, but you won't have to worry about anything, those other things that are irregular, the G's and the Z's and all of that. Memorize your 8 words. Hopefully this lesson is pretty easy. The quiz is going to combine doing the informal commands and the formal commands. They'll tell you which one. On Monday there will be a video for you to watch telling you exactly what you need to know. But pretty much this sums it all up, and there is no vocab. And remember, if you're working on the verse, it is bonus if you do it this week. So have a great day. Talk to you later.